video for 9th class English medium subject Science and Technology. Chapter 2 Work and Energy. My first point,
The Standard 9th Science and Technology Unit 2nd Work and Energy. Today's topic positive, negative and zero work. Next, try this and example. Positive work, negative work and zero work. Think before you answer. Some examples are there. First, pushing a stalled vehicle. Second, catching the ball which your friend has thrown towards you. Third, tying a stone to one end of a string and swinging it around and round by the other end of the string. Fourth, walking up and down a staircase, climbing a tree. Fifth, stopping a moving car by applying brakes. You will notice that in some of the above examples, direction of the force and displacement are the same. In some other cases, these directions are opposite to each other, while in some cases, they are perpendicular to each other. In these cases, the work done by the force as given by first is the when the force and displacement are in the same direction. That means angle theta equal to 0 degree. Then the work done by the force is positive work. When the force and displacement are in the opposite direction, when theta equal to 180 degrees, work done by the force is negative. When the applied force does not cause any displacement, or when the force and the displacement are perpendicular to each other, that means theta equal to 90 degree, the work done by the force is 0. Next is try this. Take a plastic cup and make a hole in the center of its bottom. Take a long thread, double it and pass it through the hole. Tie a thick enough knot at the end so that the knot will not pass through the hole, taking care that the two loose ends are below the bottom of the cup. Tie a nut each to the two ends as shown in the figure A. Now do the following. As shown in the figure A, put the cup on a table. Keep one of the nut in the cup and let the thread carrying to other nut hang down along the side of the table. What happens? The pull from the table. Question 1. Figure number A. Why does the cup get pulled? The applied force is greater than the force of friction between the surface of the table. This is the answer of that question. As shown in figure B, when the cup is sliding along the table, stop it by putting a ruler in this path. Question on figure B is that what is the relation between the displacement of the cup and the force applied through the ruler? The direction are opposites. As shown in the figure C, keep the cup at the center of the table and leave the two nuts hanging on opposite sides of the table. In figure C, why doesn't the cup get displaced? No net force on the cup, so the cup doesn't get displaced. What is the type of work done in figure A, B and C? In case of figure A, positive work done. In figure B, 0 work done, and the figure C, 0 work done. In the three actions above, what is the relationship between the applied force and the displacement? Unbalanced force causes displacement of the body. Next is the example. Calculate the work done to take an object of mass 20 kg to a height of 10 meter. Value of g is given 9.8 meter per second square. Given mass is 20 kg and displacement is 10 meter. Now calculate the force by using the formula F equal to mass into gravitational acceleration, that is g. F equal to 20 into minus 9.8. Put this value in the equation. We get answer F equal to minus 196 Newton. Negative sign is taken because the displacement opposite to the direction of force. Now calculate the work done according to formula W equal to F into S. Value of F minus 196 Newton and 10 meter. W equal to minus 1960 joule. The negative sign appears because direction of force is opposite to the direction of displacement, so that work done is negative. Thank you.